Hello, welcome. Thank you so much for coming in. Please take a look around. Let me know if you need anything.
Why is this place so empty? She looks more dead than Ditskiff's view-botted chat.
Been this way for a year now. Ever since they finished building that food hub, no one gives me their business anymore.
Yo, I'm with you, man. Fuck these big streamers and shit. They don't give us small streamers enough love, bruh.
I think Food Hub's been sabotaging me. I saw them. You see those puddles everywhere? My pipes burst last week for the first time in 20 years. They probably froze them or something.
Why? What's the point if they already got all your customers?
I think they're racist. They hate to see a brown man succeeding.
Maybe I can get your customers back. I'm an influencer type shit, so I can promote your shop.
Oh, okay.
You're on my stream right now. Tell us about yourself, where you're from and stuff.
Hello? My name is Martin and I run the Maplewood Market. I moved here from Evansville, Indiana 20 years ago.
Oh, wow, I knew you were Indian. See, chat, I'm cultured.
Look, maybe you can just help me clean up around here. I'm the only one working here now since I can't afford employees.
I bet. Bruh. Chap, you
Nobody
gotta sub if you want to
shops
keep
here
the
anymore.
subathon going.
It looks so much cleaner around here now. Thank you so much for your help.
Yo, this place still looks dead ass. Anything I can do to help out?
I could use your help getting my customers back. Could you maybe go over to Food Hub and convince them to shop here again?
For sure, bruh. I love some sweet revenge. Chat, send me cheers if you agree. Do I have any stream snipers?
My stomach hurts.
Hey, no cutting in line. I'm about to order.
Bro, you taking longer than GTA to come out. Wrap it up, Domer.
Be patient. I'm having a hard time reading the menu.
Are you blind or something? Wait, I can't say that on stream anymore.
Actually, I'm legally blind.
Legally? So I can't get banned for talking to you, right? I'm on thin ice with staff recently.
I don't know. Anyway, can you help me read the menu?
I would, bruh, since I'm an expert at reading and shit, but I got a subathon to do. Sorry.
Welcome to Red Grill Burgers. How can I help you today?
Based in red grilled, right, chat?
Sir, do you want to order something or not?
She looking like a whole meal, girl. Can I order you?
Sir, if you aren't going to order, I'll have to ask you to leave.
Can I get a double cheeseburger?
What's the name on the order?
Sugma?
What's the last name on the order?
Balls?
Okay, one order for Sigma Balls coming up.
Got her ass, chat.
That's not funny. Please step aside. Next person, please.
Yo, this must be the big boss man.
Hey, what are you doing? You can't be back here.
I'm here for the interview. We talked on the phone last week.
Oh, I must have forgotten. What's your name?
Bro, how do you not know who I am? This is so unprofessional. I'm a single mother. I had to leave my kid with a nanny just to be here.
Excuse me?
Nothing. Anyway, the name's Caden Brentley.
Let me check my schedule real quick. Oh, yes, Aiden. We have you down for later, but you're here early. We love to see that.
Oh shit, chat, it worked. What the fuck do we do now?
What was that? I didn't hear you. It doesn't matter. Let's get started. So why do you want to work here, Aiden?
I'm just trying to make some content. I figured if I come back here and ask for a job, it'd be a gold mine for rage bait.
Not sure what that means, but sounds like a compliment. I don't have a resume on file for you. What kind of experience do you have, Aiden?
I got experience cooking fire clips and brain rot content, bruh.
Oh, wow. Knowing how to prepare a brain on fire sounds very impressive. Very exotic. You seem experienced enough. Can you start today?
Yeah, sure, bruh. Whatever.
Awesome. You can start right away. For now, go up to the front.
Chat, I think I just took some— What the fuck? I got banned? Bitch-ass staff. Chat, do I got Riz?
Am I gonna pay off? Not now, Caden.
Yeah, how you like that? Six, seven! Hey, what you guys doing?
Quick smoke sesh, dude. You buying or not?
Can I just get a hit, bro? I want to make sure I'm buying that good shit.
Oh, I only sell good shit, but you're gonna have to chief on this.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna bounce on that J mad hard. Fucking smoke a fat dumpy for real.
I can tell you've never smoked that green before.
What, bro? Of course I've smoked before. I ain't a virgin. Trust.
Oh, sure, bro. Take a hit then, big guy.
Aight, chat. This one's for you. Oh, God.
Oh, shit. He hit it. Dude, that wasn't even weed.
What the fuck? Dude, did you lace that shit? Am I gonna fucking die? Was it Fent? Oh, God. If I die, give my stream to my friend Gerard.
Ah, no, dude. It was just some shitty shake mixed with some oregano.
Yo, shit. Okay, I feel it. That was some good shit.
You a funny little dude. We were gonna graffiti Maplewood Market, but we just want to chill now. Since you were cool, you can have this spray paint, though.
Sick, bro. Thanks. This whole town finna know my name.
I'm just kind of like.
Fuck yo shit, bruh. Chat, we're going to the Big dog, you waiting for someone, or are you just really eating that all alone? Low-key sad, bruh.
What's your problem, kid? I'm just trying to eat.
Yo, bruh, you look like an expert. My chat always debating about the best burger chain and shit. Thoughts?
Huh? What?
Bruh, am I muted or some shit? I asked what the best burger chain is.
What do you think is the best?
Out and in is the goat, bruh. Eating ain't enough. I need to fuck it.
Are you serious?
Fuck you laughing at, pussy. I'm right. Chat, this guy's a bitch. Don't listen to him.
Go away.
That one's pink. That's
Bruh, no shot. I got banned? Why is Steph always hoeing on me, man? Chat, am I alpha? Yo, Kirk, that had some power, bruh. Chat, you guys have been sleeping on this content.
I think the sprinkles at it.
Hey, Aiden. Glad to have you on the team. I'm sure you're gonna do great.
What am I supposed to do again? This wage cuck shit is confusing.
Go up front and help man the register next to Alizé. You'll take orders from customers for now.
Counter's at 20,000.
Yo, welcome to Red Girl Burgers. We only got one girl right now, though. What do you want?
Do you work here? Where's your uniform?
Yeah, dude, I just got hired. I'm doing a challenge where I spend the whole day as a wage cuck.
Okay. Are these donuts for sale?
No, they're just here for display. This is a burger shop, not a bakery. Are you stupid?
What? Why do you have them on display for no reason?
Jesus Christ, bro, it was a joke. Yes, they're for sale. Do you want one?
I don't know. I'm trying to lose weight. But I just got done with my 30-minute walk, so I feel like I deserve one.
Yeah, dude, have one. In fact, you should have 3. You really worked hard today. You deserve a reward.
I don't know. Can you give me a bit? I still need to decide.
Yo, welcome to Red Grilled Burgers. What you want?
Can I have a double cheeseburger, a large fries, a 20-piece nuggets, and...
Let me get the whole menu, head ass.
How rude! It's not for me. I'm also ordering for my children. I want to talk to the manager.
That would be me. I'm the manager. Is there a problem?
You are, and this is how you run your establishment? You should be ashamed. I'm leaving you a 1-star review.
You should leave several. In fact, you should tell your friends to leave 1-star reviews too, since we're so bad.
This is ridiculous. I'm starving and I don't have time for this. I'm waiting for someone else to take my order. I'm waiting for someone else to...
Only 50 more years of this. What do you want?
Aren't you supposed to say, hey, you're not supposed to be back here or something?
Dude, I don't give a fuck what you do.
Why? You're supposed to be all riled up. I need you to crash out or something for my stream.
I'm working for $5.50 an hour for 10 hours straight. I literally couldn't care less about what you do.
Dude, come on, yell at me for bothering you or...
I hope you keep losing them. Maybe one day you'll know what it feels like to lose your will to live slowly, every day.
Just put the fries in the bag, bro.
Whatever.
Chat, that's a clip.
Fuck my stupid Chungus life.
Fuck, dude, I got banned? Stupid ass, motherfucking pussy ass staff, bruh. Am I getting view-botted?
Off right now. Hey man, your stream looking dead. You need view bot cheap? I sell.
Hey, fuck it, dude. I need to speed this shit up. Chat, am I Sigma?
Hello, how are you today? Hope you're having a great day shopping at Food Hub, your neighborhood source for all the best ingredients.
The birds?
Bro, you tweaking. It must be this place. They send in 5G waves into your brain.
Mason, how much you want to bet the birds in the parking lot have cameras? They were watching us on the way in. I saw them.
You talking to your chat or something?
What do you want, kid? We're being watched.
I was just gonna tell you that Maplewood Market got great deals going on. Completely ratios this place.
I don't care. There are more important things.
The birds are actually working for this grocery store. They talked about you. They're gonna kill you. But Maplewood Market has the tools to save you.
Really? I'm heading there right now. Let's get out of here, Mason.
Free option. Hello.
Hey, you look just like someone I know.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, it's just, I can tell you're doing well getting in shape. Someone I knew struggled for a while, but shed weight like butter after shopping at Maplewood Market.
Oh, wow. That means a lot.
Sorry, bruh, but my chat's spamming sleepers. I gotta go. But I better see you at Maplewood. W store.
Oh, okay. I'll start going there, I guess. Pasture raised.
Oh, what? Oh, help! Holy shit, when did I walk into the Twin Staff headquarters?
I'm a kitten. Meow.
Oh, this is the content jackpot, dude. We got a soil viewer here.
Can you buy me cat food, senpai?
Man, I would, but I already gave all my money to homeless people.
Hi.
Yo, you're a furry, right? Chat, this is one of those things we always see in the Hard Watch compilations.
Meow.
You know you aren't a real cat, right? Good cat. Yeah, you're a real cat, aren't ya? You know Maplewood Market has better catnip than here, right?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Hey, bruh, you dress like my dad.
Oh, he's a plumber too?
Yeah. You remind me of him.
Sounds like your dad was a real hard worker.
Yeah, he was, until he left me and my mom. But you seem better than that. You know, the dude at Maplewood Market could use your plumbing help. His pipes burst type shit.
Oh, really? I haven't been there in so long. But I'm happy to help out a struggling businessman like myself. I'll start going there.
Apologize for any inconvenience you've experienced this evening. Would Kate and Brentley please report to the main offices? I repeat, would Kate and Brentley please report to the main offices? Thank you so much and happy shopping.
Hello! Hope you're having a great day. Seems you've been stirring up quite—
Bro, this your goon cave or something? Don't lie, you rub one out in here once a day, don't you?
Oh no, that's highly inappropriate. We here at Food Hub maintain the highest standard of quality for all our customers.
Please shut up, bro. You sound like a fucking narc.
I apologize. Please feel free to leave us a review. But for now, I encourage you to listen to what I have to say.
If I have to listen to your Pamela Harris impression anymore, my stream's gonna fucking die.
Rest assured, your viewership will be just fine. You'll more than make up for it after my proposal.
What, am I in trouble or something?
Oh, absolutely not. We've been watching you carefully since you entered our store. And I think we'd both highly benefit from a temporary partnership.
How would you help me? If you've been watching me, you know I'm a content god, bro. I don't need any help.
Have you spoken to Martin recently? Our little neighbor over at Maplewood Market?
No, but get to the point, bro. I'm losing viewers talking to you.
You see, our partners have been hoping to expand this lot into a mall for a while now. And the owner of our neighbor grocery store, Maplewood Market, he's bitterly stubborn.
Okay, go on.
If you help us, we can help you. We have a rather large advertising budget. We could promote your channel both locally and nationally. The benefits would be instant.
What do you want me to do?
Oh, it's really quite simple. Maplewood Market seems to already be such an unsafe shopping environment. Their pipes burst just 2 weeks ago for some reason.
Bruh, I don't know what the fuck your normie corny ass yapping means. Stop talking like an NPC.
It would just be so unfortunate if someone slipped and fell over there. You know, we love our neighbors at Maplewood Market and we would hate to see them sued. But I bet there'd be a lot of viewers in it for you if something so awful happened over there and you streamed it. And don't forget the support we'd give you.
Hey, fuck it, dude. Content is content. I'm in.
Terrific. You made the right choice. Your career is gonna thank you for this.
Some more bags, please.
Chat, am I based or cringe?
Hi, welcome in. It feels like a great day today. I really hope it continues going that way.
I'm out of subs. I'm out of content.
Hello. Hope you're having a great day.
Someone outside's trying to steal your whip, I think. I think it might be one of those Food Hub guys.
What? Those Food Hub bastards? Wait, I didn't drive to work. Very funny. You. Hello. Hope you're having a great day.
I think I just saw your kids get into an accident. They fell off their bikes at the bottom of the hill.
Very funny. My children are in their 20s and off in college. Almost got me though. Hello.
Oh my god, there was an accident near my house. There was a woman being taken to the hospital, and she kept screaming, "Please call my husband Martin at Maplewood."
What? No, oh my god. Is she okay?
No, man, she's not okay. Trust me, you need to go to the hospital and see her. She might not make it.
Oh my god. I wasn't there for her because I was running this damn store. I can't lose her. I have to go. I need to see her.
Ah! Ah! My back! You are not fit to run a store! Sue, I'm gonna sue the heck out of you!
Chat, can you guys host me?
I can't believe it. I'm getting sued. I can't afford this. I have to shut down my store now. I have nothing left to live for. My wife wasn't even in trouble. Why did you tell me that? Why?
Bro, everyone around me is an NPC.
Huh? Dude, that drone is so cool, man. I want to fly too and shit.
Bruh, no shot. Stupid ass staff, get off my dick.